1.16. This question is related to probability. It has nothing to do with chemistry or even quantum chemistry. So part A says, Frank and Phyllis Eisenberg have 2 children. Let's call them children 1, children 2. Child 1 and child 2. They have at least 1 female child. So we know 1 child is definitely female. There's at least 1 female child. So it's possible that at least 1. So let's keep that in mind. So it's possible that C1 and C2 are both female, or one of C1 and C2 is female. So these are the possibilities. Now we need to compute the probability that both their children are girls. So there are 3 possible scenarios. One is C1, the first child is a girl and the second child is a boy. This is scenario 1. Next scenario is the first child is a boy and the second child is a girl. This is the second scenario. The third scenario would be the first child is a girl and the second child is also a girl. Right, because the question says there is at least 1 female child. So it is possible that both the children are female. Now we need to compute the probability that both the children are girls. So what is the probability of scenario 3 happening? It is 1 out of 3, because there are 3 possible scenarios and only one of them has this particular situation. So the probability would be 1 over 3. Now moving to part B of the question. Bob and Barbara Schrodinger have 2 children, child 1, child 2. The older child is a girl. So the first child is a girl, we clearly know that. What is the probability that the younger child is a girl? So in this case, we know this for sure. The second child could be a boy or the second child could be a girl. There are only 2 possible outcomes and one of them is the girl. So the probability would be 1 in 2 because there are only 2 outcomes and there's only 1 outcome where the second child is also a girl. So the probability is 1 in 2.